Well, yeah, we all like a little bit of music while we're working, but unfortunately YouTube doesn't, because it gives you copyright strikes. So, end of the music. This is the rear suspension linkage off the lifan. It's completely foobarred. That there is the suspension bushes, or what's left of them. It's like really thin, springy steel type stuff, but as you can see there's nothing left apart from the ones that are welded in there and they're not coming out. You can barely see the remnants in the end of that one. And guess what? You can't get any parts from lifan. So my obvious, well, not obvious, my obvious suggestion was to fix what I've got, but I'm just throwing good money after bad there, getting engineering done. So I thought, well, why not just bung twin shocks on it? So yeah, we'll bung twin shocks on it, but before I do that, I need to set the height of it. I can't do that straight away. I'll let you know about that later on. So rather than just throw all this back together as a messed up pile of junk, my OCD says you've got to do something with it. So those of you that know your English history know that people laughed at Barnes Wallis when he came up with some ideas. Famous British inventors suffer for their genius. So what have we got? We have got a bit of tube that wide, and I've got the wrong blade in the grinder, so I'll just sort that out. Right, beware thine ears, for we will be making a noise. So beautiful and straight. Not. Right, where's the pin? Where's the pin? Where is the pin? This is going really great. Right, just slide the pin inside there. Next bit, we need to go to the vise. You might notice I have a lack of light in here. Well, this is a temporary solution, which seems to be going on and on and on, but watch your ears. Right, just squeeze that up again. Are we there yet? Pretty much. Right. Anyone guess what I'm doing yet? Oh, these bees keep flying around. Doing my head in. That appears to be a bearing. Oh, sorry. That appears to be some sort of bearing with some sort of, yeah, rubber band. Lovely. A rubber band seal. Absolutely stunning. Made in Thailand. So was that. Produced in Thailand. Under license from me. Right, this one could take a little bit more beating, so yeah, that one needed a little bit of persuading in the vise. Right then, so what have we got? What have we got? What have we got? We've got a nasty looking hole, and we need to do something with that. So Out comes the nastiness. Now, I will point out at this stage that I did say earlier, I'm going to twin shock this bike, so if you're an engineer and you've stumbled across this page, calm down. I want to run a 20mm drill bit through there, but I don't have one, so that'll have to do. Next up, what does my engineering fit like? It's a little bit tight. Oops, didn't quite get it all the way in before it shattered. Yeah, that's annoying, isn't it? I want it all the way in, really. There's some gnashing of teeth there, so I've just got to fix the grinder. Good old grinder, it's been abused. It's been broken since day one, so that's how we do. Yeah, it's not really going to plan, is it? I'll tell you what though, I'll tell you what is going to plan, because I did a prototype before and it's too long, I've got a bit left over. So we will continue. In the words of the great Pete Tong, we continue. See, that's not really wanting to go in there either. It's not a different diameter at the other end, so why is it not? There we go. There we go. Oh, he's a little bit overlapped. He has overlapped, hasn't he? I wonder why that is. Well, I can take the overlap out, further engineering. There it is. That's that dealt with. You're probably not getting all this on camera, but like I said, with all my other videos, they don't let anyone see my stuff anyway. Nobody wants to watch it. No. Yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but. Where's my burr? Right, that'll do. Far too much faffing going on here. And not enough finished. Right, you can stay in there like that now. Okay, so next up, oh, a bit snapped off that end. Next up, the pin does not want to go in, so we need to engineer the pin now. So if we just, where's the nut? Right, we're just about to do some engineering work. It's a shame all the engineering people and restoration people that I'm subscribed to don't watch my channel, because they'd be truly impressed with the way I work. Check out my lathe. It's a little bit hit or miss, this. That's pretty good, actually, that one. Normally it tends to grind more on one side than it does on the other because it's not centered. Right, just doing a bit of spannery in the background there. Where's my rough boy? Here he is. I am trying to go for worst videos ever on YouTube now, seeing as though I can't get any views. So I might, you know, get a niche market for doing absolute crap. Right, I don't want to get a load of stick for being a butcher, so we'll take the 60 off and we'll put a 400 on. I think it's a 400. It's hardly ever used. But here we go now. Well, I can imagine that's quite toasty warm now. Yes, indeed. So we need that to cool off for a bit. Okay, so this is still F hot. So I'm just gonna wang some grease on it. I should probably boil off his bloody liquid in a minute. Find the rag with the grease. I can see the other side's going to have a problem. It's a shame this one's so messy because it looked believable. When I started. Right. Like I said, I'm going to twin shock the bike, so what I'm doing now is assembling it back together in its standard ride height. That one was okay. I'm just putting it back together in its standard ride height so that I can measure things. So there you go. But if I was hard pushed, then yeah, they could stay in there. They were a lot better than the crap I took out. Later then.